Not quite right now across the area compared to what we saw throughout the morning and then through the evening, right? Kind of 2 rounds of showers and storms, but we'll take the quiet right now. This is Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies in Gatlinburg there in Sevier County. Some showers the last round that went through his weekend and pushed into western North Carolina, and there's not a whole lot of activity left, at least immediately, but I do want to show you the forecast as we go through the rest of the night tonight. Here's where we are right now. We'll take it to about 3 o'clock in the morning. So limited storm chances, but I do think closer to daybreak, a couple of more should develop somewhere kind of along and north of I-40. Kind of exactly hard to say where they'll be, but I think this is the more likely places, areas north of I-40, and some of these could contain some locally heavy rainfall. The severe threat's low, but any additional rainfall, on top of what we've already seen could cause some flooding issues, obviously. So we'll watch for that. That's why the Weather Service has kept the flood advisory in effect, the flood watch, rather, until 5 o'clock on Thursday morning. If you don't see any showers or rumbles of thunder, it's just going to stay muggy. Temperatures will drop in the low 70s under a partly cloudy sky. And if you have some breaks in the clouds, and you did pick up some of that heavier rain today and yesterday, obviously, there could be some fog in some spots, and it could be locally dense. I don't think it'll be everywhere, but just kind of keep that in mind when you head out the door first thing tomorrow. Otherwise, a quick warm up tomorrow. Low 90s for many across the region. Jamestown 91, Knoxville 94, 90 in Newport, and 91 in Gatlinburg. But the bigger story here is, what does it feel like when you factor in that humidity? It's going to feel like triple digits. 106 Knoxville and Maryville, feeling closer to 107 in Loudon and 105 in Maynardville. Again, this isn't all day. It's mainly between the hours of about 2 p.m. and 5 p.m., usually the hottest part of the day this time of year, and that's going to be the case. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we do have a little bit of cloud cover. I think it'll thin out enough to get temperatures into the low 90s. And then we're talking spotty storm chances again in the afternoon. This is midday right through the afternoon, 3 o'clock into the evening is 6. So very spotty, but again, where they pop up, watch for some locally heavy rainfall, at least the possibility of some of those downpours that could cause some flooding. Friday, similar conditions across the region because we have a cold front now that's moving into the area. That adds a little bit of extra lift to the atmosphere and squeezes out even more moisture across the region. So again, timing-wise, afternoon and evening here. This is lunchtime on Friday, but through the afternoon and evening, this is 4 o'clock. You get the picture, right through 7 and up to 11 o'clock. And unfortunately, this cold front doesn't completely clear the area until sometime about midday or early afternoon on Saturday. So tomorrow, spotty storms, similar to what we saw today. Not everybody sees them, only about a third of the area, but closer to half the area. We'll see scattered showers and storms Friday into early Saturday, but I'd say the majority of the weekend, later Saturday and most of Sunday, will stay dry. That slim chance Sunday is mainly over the Smokies as that front drifts further into the mountains. And otherwise, most of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday look dry, but I won't say cooler. Not really cool behind that front. In fact, we're climbing back in the low 90s for highs with heat index values triple digits once again.
All right, restore.